How to put your Shopify store on vacation. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create this page. As you can see, so maybe you want to recreate your store or you want to take a break, so you can create this page for your Shopify store, and it's gonna be very easy. So first, you can go to your Shopify dashboard here, and then go to your online store here, and then we're gonna navigate to preferences here, click on it, and as you can see there is store access and password protection. So basically we're gonna use this feature so we can create a protection page, so only you can access it, so you can activate it. And now you can create the password, so I'm gonna make it 12345 6. And now you can add the message, maybe coming back in, or see you later again, see you later, like that. Then you can just click save, and now you can visit your store. You can go to online store again and view your store, and it will be like this, now maybe wondering how to edit this text or customize it. I'm gonna show you. It's gonna be very easy. So you can go back to your Shopify dashboard, and then you can go to your online store and themes. After that, you can click edit theme here, click on it, and then you will be redirected to your website editor. Now you can go to the password page, so you can go to top of your website editor, click on it, and go to password page, this one. So you can click on it, and this is your password page. So basically you can just customize it. You can click on it, and you can change the text, the width, and everything here. You can customize it, the typography and others. It's up to you. You can just click the element and change it like this. You can even change the email sign up like this, and yeah, you can just customize it. You can even change the color of the background, so you can explore more. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.